Step into the Jeep 2020 Gladiator Sport S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include black cloth low back bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, included, tip-start transmission skid plate select speed control, premium black Sunrider soft top, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, Sirius satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112. GPS antenna input, quick order package 24S included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, speed-sensitive power locks, automatic headlamps, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front one touchdown power windows.